Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jaee, aka the Realest Jaee, and I'm back with another video. So, if you watched the previous two videos, you know how I got this hair color, and I was really shook at the fact that the hair literally did not burn away already. Because like I said, I told you I felt like it was processed, but it's cute, you know? So, what I did find though is that I put the frontal back too far, and I mentioned that in the first video. So now we're gonna have to fix that, and the way that I fix it is by making sure that my hairline is covered. From right here you can tell it's not covered. So what I'm gonna have to do is go in, and this part of where the frontal is connected to the wig, I have to cut that off. This is why I always say to sew your frontal separate from your bundles, and do not sew your bundles through your frontal. Always double check, you already know. I put the wig back on my head, and now I'm just stretching it and unraveling it as I make an adjustment to my head. Sorry, I'm eating boba. So I put it back on because I realized that it wasn't far back enough for me. And this is kind of starting to look good. I did do this on both sides, so yeah. Basically what you're gonna have to do is just reattach it. So it was right there, but now we're gonna bring it back down right there. Yes, it is gonna make your wig looser when you first put it on, but when you sew it back together, it's gonna be tight. Y'all know when I first unpacked it, the frontal did not look like that. It was real thick, so we had to pluck that thing, and we plucked it, and now we are here. I had to cut off some extra cap, but we're here now, and I'm just going to apply it now. So y'all know my blow dryer died the night before I installed this, so I had to use a hot comb. I know a hot comb and a blow dryer are not the same thing, whatever. I just need some heat. So that's just what it is. But you know, this frontal lace is not HD, so you're going to notice it. I'm too bright. The lace is light brown. You're going to notice, so you don't have to tell me, but I think it still came out pretty cute. They were out of HD lace. Alright, now you got your little sideburns cut off. I wish that little piece of hair was not right there, but what we're going to do is, this is where I told you we're going to have to sew the wig back to the frontal. And it's not going to be as close to it because the fact that, well, not on my head, you know, because my head kind of big. but we're going to put it through the wig because you want the tension to come out of the wig and not the frontal. If it comes on the frontal, then if it comes from the frontal, then it's going to pull up the frontal. So we're taking the tension from the wig cap and just tighten it up to how you want it to be. The key to this step is to make sure that you don't continue to sew after this. You make a knot and then you start sewing because you want that to stay into place so that you don't add tension to your frontal. You kind of like I said, you get it from the wig cap and then you sew the rest of it back on as if it was a wig. And that's how you solve that problem. So all my other girls, if you got big head too like me, there you go. After I tied the lace down, this is what I had. And I didn't want to do the typical style. I didn't want to do no middle part. I always do a middle part. I was just sick and tired. So I was like, let me try this half up, half down look and see how it goes. Because I've never done this on myself, only on a client. So we're just watch what I do. I don't have to explain this part, y'all. And I've been talking too much in this video. Somebody told me one time I talk too much, but whatever. But I do want to say this part, make sure you cover up them tracks. All right, I'm going to shut up now. I feel like it was looking good. I had to turn the light off and see what it looked like with the lights off because, that's like what people really see. They don't see the ring light part of you. But, I had to come through with my Baby Bliss and we're going to be curling up this hair. I did tie it down. Only did like 2 little parts in the back, but that was just so this wig wouldn't go flying off if I was doing something crazy. Because it is a frontal and that kind of hurts. So I'm just going to curl it here. Always curl away from your face. Alright, so I'm done. I let the curls cool off. You'll want the curls to cool off so that you don't mess up the actual curl. Like if you comb the curl out while it's still hot, it's not going to take the way that you need it to. So I'm just going to back comb it now and just kind of fluff it out. I really don't think it did much of anything, but whatever. I took a piece of hair because I didn't like the rubber band showing, and I tied it around the ponytail just to give it like a look. And I'm not gonna lie, y'all, when I was coloring this hair, I did not have any hope at all. I thought it was gonna like burn away, melt away. I thought I was gonna do something crazy, but I am really feeling this color. Like, it's pretty cute, you know. So I'm gonna show you my before my makeup and after my makeup. Really, my makeup is just my eyebrows and some lip gloss and some mascara, but it came out super freaking cute. Now, of course, this is not my final review of this hair. I've only had it in for about maybe a few days, close to a week. So if you want a final review, you're gonna have to stay tuned, and I will keep you updated and posted. In the meantime, other videos will be coming out, so that's that on that. I decided to take it out of the ponytail and just show y'all, like, it's so cute. If it wasn't for the lace, like, being so dark, y'all, this I'm gonna just save my thoughts for the review of this hair. But I appreciate you tuning in. If you made it through and in this video you were a real one, please subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Y'all be safe. Y'all be blessed. Peace and hair grease.